Welcome back to the Wealth Without Risk destination, where we help you discover and take advantage of one of the best real estate income opportunities that most people don't even know exist. My name is Linda. I'm Ted's property research expert for over 6 years, and today I've got a bit of insight that might just change the way you look at real estate investing. Tax liens, showing you how you can earn a solid return without the auction chaos. Each year, Florida will auction off 1 million tax lien certificates where you can earn up to 18% interest. Now, why do I say up to? Well, at the tax lien auction in Florida, there will be competitive bidding where you are actually bidding down the interest rate. So that means that you start off at 18%, but then someone can go 17, 16, 15. You are bidding down the interest rate, and some bids can go all the way to 0.25%. The good news, like I said, is Florida has 67 counties, and collectively they will auction off 1 million tax lien certificates. But not all of them will be sold. So this is where we have over-the-counter, or another word that you may have heard of is the leftover list. But specifically in Florida, for Florida tax liens, the over-the-counter is called county-held liens. So when you're doing your research, that is the word you're going to see, county-held liens. Now, even better news, a lot of this is going to be online. So there are a few online sources that you can use to find over-the-counter tax liens in Florida. One site is grantstreet.com, another site is realauction.com, and the third is lienhub.com. Today, I'm going to focus on the site lienhub.com. This is an online auction site dedicated to Florida tax liens. Currently, 29 counties use this platform when they auction off their certificates every May. But year-round, they do have county-held certificates. On the left-hand side, you can see Select County. So when you click on that, you're going to see all 29 counties that are hosted on this platform. So as you guys can see, this is a tax lien certificate that is over the counter in Volusia County. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the parcel ID number and I'm going to insert that in the geographical information system. So after I put the parcel ID number in, you can see that this tax lien is a part of a river. Now, who is going to redeem this tax lien? I'm not sure. Now, this is why it is so important to have boots on the ground, as Ted would say, so you don't make this auction mistake. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to click that button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I covered over-the-counter tax liens in Florida, but there are other states that have the same over-the-counter process. For example, in Arizona, you can earn 16% with no competition. Check out this video right here where Ted explains Arizona's over-the-counter tax lien process. I'm Linda, and I'll see you on the next video.